So when I was exploring the lovely Algarve in Lower Portugal, I came across this market selling Fortnite toys, and I thought, Fortnite don't sell toys. I'll pick some up and see what they're like. They were about €10 for free, so it's pretty cheap, I thought, and they had barcodes and things on them, so I thought I'd try them out and see what they were like. As you can see, they're sort of all following the standard logo that the company has, and the initial sort of artwork for the 4-player co-op side of the game. Although there are some characters on there from, I think, Season 4 of the online, as you can see at the front there. The Graffiti Girl and a few of the others. They feel like quite hard plastic figures, so let's rip one open. Pretty tough plastic. And here's the first figure. It looks like nothing you'd see in a Fortnite game, and the arm is a bit weird. It feels like it should move, but it doesn't. It's a bit stiff. This is some sort of girl character. I don't recognise of many sort of different characters you can get in the game. But and the arm's broken off straight away. The quality is pretty rubbish, to be honest, on these. They feel strong, but they're very painful Chinese knockoffs by the feels of it. Let's try the next one. This is another character I don't recognise. Some serious eyeliner there.
Some sort of weird arm structure there. Look at that.
Yeah, it's a bit weird. The arm, you see, there's like a bit sticking out of the arm. Almost like it was trying to print it to have a gun or something on it, but there is no gun. It's painted the same colour as the skin. It's very weird, and they feel like it must be some sort of Chinese knockoff factory, and they thought, oh, they look kind of like Fortnite. We'll just stick them in a bag, and off we go. We'll sell loads of them. Oh, and it comes with a gun as well. The gun doesn't seem to fit in the hand at all, but it does come with one. It's like a bit of soft plastic, the gun. Yeah, very cheaply made. Let's try the third one, see what we got. And it was the girl again. Great. That's just what I wanted. That's always a chance with these loot package things. We don't know what you're getting, but at least we got two different ones. They are pretty poor quality, actually. They don't stand up by themselves or really do anything or resemble Fortnite in any way. It's just a lazy kind of knockoff to get people to go, oh, there's a Fortnite toy, I'll buy that. So yeah, pretty disappointed with the product overall. I mean, even for fakes, I think they could do better than that. I mean, yeah. Oh, and the chick at the start has a shotgun in her bag that I found. I would not recommend purchasing these at any point, ever.